In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Authy on iPhone. Authy doesn't have a traditional logout button the way many apps do. Instead, you sign out by removing or resetting the device within Authy. I'll walk you through the right ways to do that and explain what each option means so you can choose the safest approach for your situation. The cleanest and most reliable method is to remove your iPhone from Authy directly. Open the Authy app on your iPhone, tap the settings gear in the top right, then tap Devices. You'll see a list of devices that have access to your Authy account. Find your iPhone in that list, tap Remove Device, and confirm. This action revokes your iPhone's access to your Authy account, effectively signing it out. It's immediate and intentional, which is why it's the recommended approach. After removal, if you ever reinstall Authy on the same phone, you'll need to go through your usual approval steps to add it back again. Another option is to turn off multi-device access inside Authy. Open Authy, go to Settings, then Devices, and switch off Allow Multi-Device. By disabling this, you block new devices from being added and help phase out active sessions on other devices over time. Think of it as tightening the door while you decide what to keep connected. It won't feel like an instant log out, but it reduces exposure and prevents fresh sign-ins on additional phones or tablets. If you simply want the app gone from your iPhone, you can delete Authy. Press and hold the Authy app icon, tap Remove App, then tap Delete App. This clears Authy from your device locally. Keep in mind, though, your Authy account and your two-factor entries still exist in the cloud. Deleting the app doesn't revoke the device's access in the same controlled way as removing the device from within Authy. So use this more as a cleanup step rather than your only sign-out method. A very important warning before you proceed. Removing the app alone does not delete your 2FA accounts. Make sure you still have at least one reliable way to get your codes, such as SMS backup, another device with Authy installed and working, or the recovery method for each individual account. These are your safety nets. Without them, you could lock yourself out of important services. If you're unsure whether you have a backup, take a moment to verify before making changes. To recap, removing the iPhone from Authy is the most direct sign-out. Disabling multi-device ads protection and deleting the app clears it from your phone. Choose what fits your needs while keeping your recovery options in place.